Hello everyone, my name is Aryan Bhandari and this is Java for Beginners course by DoCoNation. Java was earlier known as Oak and it was developed in 1991 by James Gosling and his team. Earlier it was acquired by Oracle around 2010 and I'm telling you this because we have to go to Oracle's website to download our JDK. JDK is Java Development Kit which we need to write Java programs. So to download JDK, just write download Java JDK. Go to the first link. So as you can see, Java SE16 is the latest version, but I would suggest you to download LTS, which is long-term support version of Java. So just click on JDK download and you have to come down and just click on second last link, which is bin.exe file, and you can click on it. You can select it and download it. Once you do that, this dialog box will appear. Now, in order to download JDK, you need to have an account in Oracle. So you can go to create account, and so over here you can fill your email address, password, and everything. And instead of company name, you can write your college name, and you can fill these all the formalities and create account. As soon as you create your account, you will have activation link in your Gmail, and then you can log into your account and download JDK. Okay, simple as that. Now we need to download our code editor, so in which we are going to code our Java programs. So we'll be using Eclipse. You can use NetBeans or IntelliJ IDEA, it's your preference, but we are gonna do on Eclipse. So to download Eclipse, I'm gonna write download Eclipse and just go to the first link. So over here you can see download Eclipse and you can simply download it, and over here you can click download and it will just start downloading, but I have already downloaded, so I'm gonna cancel it. Now we need to set up an environment for our JDK, otherwise your Java programs are not gonna work. So to do that, we are gonna go to this PC, and most probably it will be in C, program files, look for Java, look for JDK I have downloaded, which is 11, go to bin and just click on it and copy this. Now click over here, search for environment variable, go over here, click on environment variables. Now in the second box, check for path and edit it and just click on new, and you can paste it over here, but I have already done that, so I'm not gonna do it. After that you can click on OK, OK, and OK. All right, now you're all set to open your Eclipse. Also, to install Eclipse, the process is very simple. You just have to do next, and your Eclipse will be installed. So after installing it, you can open your Eclipse IDE. It's gonna take some time. So if you open your Eclipse for the first time, you're gonna see something like this, but you're not gonna see these many projects. Now we do not need these stuff, so just close it, close even these. We don't need these as of now. Now we have a clean window. So to create our first project, right click over here, or you can just simply go to file, go to new, and click on Java project. Now you can name a Java project. So I'm gonna name it DoCogen Java intro. Let me just underscore intro. Okay, I'm gonna use my default location and finish. Don't create, we don't need that. So we have our DoCogen Java intro folder. Let me just do right click and open it in a new window. So we have a clean interface. So now you can click on src folder, right click it on it and go to new, and we'll create a package and we'll give it a name as Java Basics. finish. Okay, so we have our package. Now right click on it, go to new, and we're gonna create our first class. So I'll explain you all of these in coming videos. Just bear with me right now. I'm gonna give the class name as Java 00. Now naming convention should be like this. First letter should be capital and no digits. So if I put 1C, it's giving me type name is not valid. So you got my point, right? I'm gonna click on public static void main and finish. So you have your first Java file. Don't worry what's happening over here. I'm gonna remove this. Now I'm gonna write system.out.println with a shortcut. So what I just did is that I wrote syso control plus space, and this is the shorthand for system.out.println. And as usual, we're gonna print hello world as our first program. And to run it, we're gonna go on the left side and click on it. You're gonna see a console appearing. See, there we go, our first hello world program. I hope you like this session and see you in the next video.